Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video I wanted to show you an easy technique that I showed on a recent Facebook Live on Ink and Inspirations with Lisa Brown on Facebook. And it's an alternate way of stamping a sentiment on a card rather than stamping it and punching out or cutting out a piece of cardstock. This is just a fun way to do it and still get your message across. So I just have a piece of designer paper cut at 4 by 5 1/4, and it will fit over top of the front of a base of a card. So I have this little sentiment here stamped, mounted, Happy for You. I'm using the Stampin' Up! Celebration So Happy Together stamp set that is available for free with a $50 order before shipping and tax until March 31st. So that's just a few days, couple of days left. So here I'm going to ink it up, and I'm going to square up my paper, and then I'm going to start up here at the top and just stamp. And I'm going to re-ink it each time and stamp randomly in a cluster. And it doesn't have to be uniform or even, you know, anything like that. Just stamp it and go with it, okay? It's fun, you know, it's a repetitive stamping, but it's fun to see it, and you'll see the finished card in just a minute, how it just really pops out from behind it. Okay, I'm just going to put one more right here just for the heck of it, and then I'm going to show you the finished card. Here it is. You see how it just pops out from behind the main image here of this little frog? I just thought it was just a different way and a fun way to do a sentiment on a card, and just for something different out of the box maybe. And you know, I've seen you can also do repetitive stamping like down the side of the card. That's another option, but this one is just quick and easy and just random stamping, and so I urge you to give that a try. Usually it works better with smaller sentiments, but you know, give it a go. Play around with it and see what you can come up with. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Visit my website at InkandInspirations.com. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.